This is my 2004 Ford 150 Lariat. It has a V8 5.4 liter engine. I noticed it had a soft ticking noise about 107,000 miles, and right now it has 126,799 miles on it. I just got out of the shop about 2-3 weeks ago. Ford dealership changed out the VCT solenoid. They also changed out the cam phaser on the driver's side. It still has a soft ticking noise to it. As you can tell, you may not be able to tell in here. Pop the hood. I did take a screwdriver and set it to one of the sides of the motor, to my ear. Did not hear anything coming from the inside of the motor. I don't know that you can hear that. Hopefully you can. It seems to be coming from the passenger side. It's louder over here. I'm not sure what's causing it. I've had 3 or 4 different Ford dealerships tell me it's a normal thing for a 04 Ford 150, that it's the injectors. I've also Googled it and found out that oil pressure system is, really hard to get oil flow going through. Some people say it's spark plugs. I don't know for sure what it is. I've done a bunch of things to it. I use the 520 weight Motorcraft oil and filter recommended by Ford. I've always used that. Haven't used anything different. It's a synthetic blend, which I don't know if it's the same thing as a full synthetic or if it's just like a blend of synthetic and something else. Maybe someone can tell me if a full synthetic with a different brand is better and maybe be able to stop this ticking noise. Now I can raise the RPMs on it and it will make the sound go away. That was a little over 1,300 RPMs, or about 1,300 RPMs. When you drive it down the road, the ticking just goes completely away. It's only when you're sitting and idling and it ticks. That's all I have. If someone can help me out and let me know their opinion, what it might be, just let me know on a comment below.